Good morning and welcome back to the floor of the Southwest Fuel and Convenience Expo here in San Antonio, Texas. I have the privilege and honor of sitting down with Dave Duncan of IRPCO. He is their national sales manager, and we had a chance to make some time to talk about IRPCO and how that interacts with the industry, how they work with Petro Energy specifically as well. So, Dave, thank you for making the time. Appreciate it.
You bet.
Tell me a little bit about IRPCO, where you're located, how long you've been in business.
So IRPCO was started in 1973 in Charleston, West Virginia. That is our only location, and we have been assembling gas pump hoses since the mid 80s. It started out as industrial rubber products company, making rubber products for other industries, but we've been making gas pump hoses since the mid 80s.
Okay. And you use Continental exclusively?
And we use Continental exclusively.
Okay. Tell me about some of the different kinds of hoses and links that you can do. You can not just curb hoses, but you can do custom.
So we obviously do dispenser curb pump hose. We also manufacture and couple fuel oil hose, heating oil, fuel oil hose, marina hose for dock applications, as well as non-UL and UL farm hose for agricultural applications.
So like DEF and ethanol hoses as well.
DEF and E85 and biodiesel as well, yes.
And I know we've had opportunities to do a lot of the ethanol with one of the projects in Oklahoma.
Correct.
Because they specifically were having issues. So, okay, great. Tell me a little bit about how IRPCO stacks up against some of the other competition out there.
So IRPCO has been assembling specifically curb pump hoses for the longest time in the industry. Nobody else can say that they've been assembling gas pump hoses for over 40 years. We're the only company who can say that. So our experience is just second to none. We've been doing it the longest, and quite frankly, we're the best at it.
Sure. American-based, American everything?
Yep, you bet.
Good, absolutely. So tell me a little bit why IRPCO utilizes rep firms.
So as the sole sales employee for IRPCO, we're a very lean organization, and I cannot possibly cover the entire country myself. So I use 8 rep firms spread around the country to call on end users and distributors and other customers on a regular basis, where I could never begin to even think about doing that.
So is that specifically in the petroleum industry, or do those reach into other industries?
No, ours is strictly in petroleum.
Okay, good. And then tell me a little bit about what are some of the unique qualities of Petro Energy? What do they bring to the table?
So Petro Energy, for me, has the states of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and New Mexico. Petro Energy specifically does a great job for IRPCO. Dean Dendy's dad, Bob Dendy, started Petro Energy a long time ago. So the company itself and the Dendy name goes back a long way. And Dean and Bill do a great job covering the territory and garnering sales and basically keeping the customers informed and happy.
Good. Dave, thank you for the time. I appreciate it. For you to learn more about IRPCO, you can obviously call the office and ask for Vanessa or Mandy, or you can look them up on the web at irpco.net. Thank you.
Thank you.